Biggest legal issues faced by Real Housewives of Potomac cast members. Everyone knows one of the biggest attractions of The Real Housewives of Potomac is all the drama with the cast members, some of whom have ended up on the wrong end of the long arm of the law. There's been plenty of serious charges leveled at the individuals on the hit Bravo show, including one that resulted in jail time for a cast member. We're going to take a look back at the legal issues faced by several figures associated with RHOP and see how one cast member recently was charged with several felony counts. Michael Darby faced charges that were later dismissed. Longtime cast member Ashley Darby's ex-husband Michael Darby faced legal trouble on his time on the show, and he ended up in hot water when a cameraman accused Michael of groping him in 2018. Although Michael was charged with felony assault and misdemeanor improper sexual conduct, the charges were dismissed due to insufficient evidence, according to People. Michael eventually brought a defamation lawsuit against former cast member Candiace Dillard-Bassett, claiming she'd made various allegations about his sex life. However, a judge dismissed his lawsuit with prejudice, meaning he can't file the same charges again. In 2024, People reports, Candiace and Monique filed lawsuits against each other. We all know the housewives do plenty of things together, including filing lawsuits, which was the case between Candiace and castmate Monique Samuels. The reality TV personalities both accused each other of assault in November 2019 after they had an altercation a month earlier, which was filmed for RHOP's 5th season, according to People. Neither lawsuit went forward, as the Montgomery County State's Attorney's Office in Maryland informed each side's lawyers they wouldn't be taking on either complaint in December 2019. It's worth noting Candiace and Monique would have been facing time behind bars if either of them were convicted of assault. Karen Huger spent time in jail. Karen Huger wasn't exempt from legal woes either, as she was charged with driving under the influence, as well as various other traffic violations. In March 2024, Huger reportedly reeked of booze and was swaying during the incident. She was found guilty 9 months later of 7 out of 8 charges brought against her. Huger waited until the following February to learn her sentence, which ended up being a year in prison. However, she only served 6 months before being released. She's going to have to serve 5 years of supervised probation, though. If she keeps her nose clean for 3 years, the last 2 will be unsupervised. Wendy Osifo and her husband are facing felony charges. Wendy Osifo and her husband Eddie were hit with fraud charges in October 2025. Wendy has been hit with a total of 16 charges, 7 of which are felonies. Among the details alleged, the couple is accused of falsely reporting luxury items were stolen from their home when they were on vacation in April 2024, and prosecutors allege the couple claimed a $450,000 personal property loss to an insurance company. The Real Housewives of Potomac, RHOP, franchise is known for its luxury lifestyles, intense friendships, and explosive drama. However, behind the glamorous parties and designer handbags, several cast members have faced serious legal troubles that made headlines and sparked fan debate. These legal issues have often played a major role in shaping storylines and public perceptions of the cast. One of the most high-profile legal scandals involved Karen Huger and her husband, Ray Huger. Ray's tax problems became a major topic on the show when reports surfaced that he owed millions of dollars in federal tax debt. Although Karen maintained a strong front, the financial strain was evident, and viewers watched as she defended her family's reputation. Over time, Ray reportedly resolved the tax issues, but the situation raised questions about transparency and financial responsibility among the cast. Michael Darby, the husband of former cast member Ashley Darby, faced multiple legal controversies that deeply impacted the show. Michael was accused of inappropriate behavior toward production staff and others, leading to investigations and lawsuits. While some charges were eventually dropped or settled, the allegations caused intense backlash from fans and castmates alike. These incidents significantly affected Ashley and Michael's marriage and ultimately contributed to Ashley distancing herself from the relationship. Another notable legal battle involved Monique Samuels, who became embroiled in a highly publicized physical altercation with fellow cast member Candiace Dillard-Bassett during Season 5. The fight led to legal complaints filed by both women. Although the cases were eventually dismissed, The incident marked one of the most dramatic moments in RHOP history and ultimately resulted in Monique leaving the show. The fallout highlighted how on-camera conflicts can spill into real-world legal consequences. Juan Dixon, husband of Robin Dixon, also faced scrutiny when he was named in a lawsuit related to alleged misconduct during his time as a college basketball coach. While Juan denied wrongdoing and was not criminally charged, the situation placed Robin under public pressure and reignited discussions about accountability and reputation within the RHOP circle. Lastly, Gisele Bryant has largely avoided direct legal trouble herself, but has been involved in defamation-related discussions and disputes due to claims made on the show. These moments demonstrate how verbal accusations and rumors on reality TV can have legal implications beyond entertainment. Overall, Real Housewives of Potomac proves that reality television fame often comes with real-life consequences. The legal challenges faced by cast members remind viewers that behind the drama and glamour are serious issues that can impact families, careers, and public images long after the cameras stop rolling.